Okay. From a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to the paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. Hey you guys, welcome back to my video. It's Jaquilla Sharice. Time to decorate for Easter. First things first, I do want to clean the kitchen. It's already clean, but I want to like wipe everything down, especially these white cabinets right here. I have this Dawn dish soap that I got from the dollar store. It was like $3. I love the squeeze bottle. So I'm gonna take that soap out, and then I'm gonna put this pink Ajax in that bottle, and then put that soap in these bottles. So the squeeze bottle can be pink. Yes. I'm just a Virgo, okay? I'm just a Virgo. Alright, so I'm gonna pour this in here. Like so. Babe's home.
Hello.
And this is this would be my I haven't posted a video in like 5 months. It's been like 5 months.
5 months ago, welcome.
Yeah, it was a lot. The last video was for was it Halloween?
It was the last video.
That was Halloween?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a while. This is what the pink looks like. It's pretty. I don't know if it's giving purple on camera, but it's pink. They need to come out with a pink one. Dawn, where's the pink one? Have I seen the pink Dawn? I don't think I ever seen a pink Dawn. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. Alright, you guys, the kitchen is looking good. I wiped down all the counters, all the cabinets. Stove is looking good. So only went to 2 stores really to get Easter stuff, and that was the dollar store and Ross. This Easter egg is so cute. It's just one solid egg. Yeah, y'all don't mind my nails. My daughter painted them for me after. It's coming off now, but I got plenty of candy, you guys, but my daughter's some barbarians, so they just opened all the candy. Look, open. Oh, they didn't open the chocolate eggs. Open.
They didn't open none of the chocolate though. Look, one more. It's the only one of these. Oh, it's two. Two are left of these. I got these rugs from Ross for the kitchen. They don't say bath on here.
No?
No, it could be for anything. It's just say.
It say kitchen. Oh, no, it should say
Yeah,
bath.
it say kitchen.
Really?
I thought these were for like a bathroom. No, it just say accent rugs.
The one we had? It didn't say, it didn't say a bathroom?
I think
probably
the
a
other
different one.
it was probably a different one.
Oh.
I thought these were for a bathroom, but I wanted them for the kitchen. And yeah, I ate all the lollipops.
Mama.
They was good. They taste like Jolly Ranchers.
We didn't get to get none.
Y'all have these. Y'all have the peep lollipops.
Ew, no. Okay.
You didn't get none of the carrots in there.
Yeah, I'm putting it on the top with the suckers.
Okay. All right. It looks good.
Yep.
I'll put that right there. I think that's cute. And then we have these extra eggs. We might just set on top.
Just fight through the pain. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need. I'm what you need. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need. I'm what you need. Whoa, 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 ah.
It's cute.
I'll show them what it looks like.
Cute. Huh? Okay, Kylie, you want to light the candle, y'all? You gotta do it to the car. It's not gonna burn you. Quick.
I'm doing it quick.
On the side.
Do you have the other lighter?
Okay, here, Kylie, you can do it. Come on, just flick it. There you go. Do it with that hand. Just.
It's hot.
It's okay. Yeah, you got it. Do it again. There you go. You gotta hold it down though. There you go. Now light it. Yeah. It's not gonna burn you. You're okay. Don't get too close. Good job. Good job.
I don't like
You
that.
did good.
I don't like that.
You need help.
Huh? What? You didn't ask me.
You saw me struggling.
What am I supposed to do?
Help?
What am I supposed to help with? I told you you should cut it.
You guys enough. I'm tired. Putting that on there. Hurt my arm. That looks fine, right?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do with this one?
Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below your favorite part of this Easter thing, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned on all of her and our videos. Why she talk like that?
Be professional.